It is said that love makes the world go round. However, without a doubt, it is friendship which keeps our marriage existence on an even keel. True friendship provides so many of the essentials for a happy life. It is the foundation on which to build an enduring relationship. It is the mortar which bonds us together in harmony, and it is the calm, warm protection we sometimes need when the outside world seems cold and chaotic. True friendship holds a mirror to our foibles and failings without destroying our sense of worthiness. True friendship nurtures our hopes, supports us in our disappointments, and encourages us to grow to our best potential. Ellie and James's love for one another began as friendship. Today, they pledge to each other not only their love, but also the strength, warmth, and most importantly, the fun of true friendship. Those whom God has joined together, let no one put asunder. For as much as James and Ellie have consented together in holy wedlock and have witnessed the same before God and this company, and thereto have given and pledged their loyalty first to God and then to each other, I pronounce them husband and wife. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Amen. Now seal it